Hello from me, Vitan. In this video today, I want to show you how to use fast-paced functionality of Auto-Order Hero software to quickly and easily fulfill multiple orders and ship them out to Amazon at the same time. This auto-order software can save you much time for sure. First of all, we select the checkboxes next to the orders we want to ship. In this case, it's the first 3 orders. Then we click Copy All Addresses button, but first we have to make sure that we are logged in Amazon and also in the extension as well. And the advanced Amazon function is enabled. If the shopping cart is not empty, click the Empty Cart button. It will delete all products. Next here, with the selected orders, you can click Copy All Orders, and what it will do is basically to activate all Amazon addresses, which means it will click the buttons to the address book. So what these buttons do is to add the addresses into Amazon's addresses book for quick access later on the checkout page. So also it will insert the item in your shopping cart and it will copy the addresses, of course. So let's try out. Also, you will see what I am talking about. Click Copy of Addresses button. You have to wait till the plugin adds the addresses and the products. Now we go to Amazon, refresh the page. These products are fully added. This order contains a gift. It's automatically checked by the extension. You can click on the Process to Checkout button. Here we have to click on Send to multiple addresses. And you can use either one by one, click on Copy Address button, then select the copied address, which automatically insert here. You have to wait for the page to refresh. I recommend to click on Fast Paste, which will go to the same thing but for all orders at the same time. Also, this works for 20-30 orders at the same time. I haven't tried it for more, but there is no problem to work for more up to 100 orders. Thank you for watching.